Dude, what is going on, everybody? Today is a special day because it is my 28th birthday. This is the birthday special. This is my birthday special video because nothing's changing. Literally nothing. Sorry, I totally, you were anticipating something. Nothing's changed. I feel young. I feel very energetic. I feel like I'm gonna dominate the end of this year. And basically this video is just, I'm putting out for you guys because I love you guys and I really want to make videos for you guys that are entertaining. So today I will be showing you some cool stuff that are in the works for Coastal Cowboys. Like I said, if you do not know me, my name is Nick and I'm an entrepreneur and I make videos almost every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. In saying so, I got some stuff I got to show you guys because for this Coastal Cowboy company, I'm trying to make my other company, Quality Prints USA, fully remote. That is my sticker business, but this is my new business and I want to really focus on this and fully remote that business. So if you guys are interested in that, please subscribe down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up for my birthday. Please. It would make my life so much better and it would help other people find my videos as well. So with that being said, let's get to this video. And at the end of this video, we'll be going over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. And also, if you have not seen these videos before and you want to start at the very beginning, I will put the playlist right up here so you can check it out. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so I have something really cool to show you guys. I just got these in yesterday and I had to cut them out and I had to show you guys. So for my hats, I have a white, I have a black, I have brown and yellow logos, okay? I have new hats coming, but I will show you the colors that we just got in stock right now for some of the hats. So I got the navy blue color, I have dark green, and my favorite out of all of these is the maroon. Now I'm thinking the maroon can go with a lot of colors. Like specifically, what I'm most excited about is the beige hat. So, if you guys are interested in my hats, I will have the link in the description, so I will leave them there. But I might, if I have some time, I will make a hat today. I will be making a hat tomorrow for sure. But since it's my birthday, I am going to have a dinner with my family and friends. So let's get started, guys. I just want to show you what we're doing with the business for Coastal Cowboys. There will be more videos coming out about Coastal Cowboys as it keeps expanding. But as you know, my bread and butter is Quality Prints USA. So let's get going on the video. Let's make this as fast as possible so then I can edit this and go hang out with the family. All right, guys, enjoy. All right, guys, we still have a few more labels we have to get out, but unfortunately, that is not getting done today because I do have to get ready to go to my parents. So I will be editing this video right now and getting that out to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this means a lot to me doing this on my birthday. This is how much I want to be here and I want you guys to be entertained. And I don't know, I'm just very thankful. I'm feeling very thankful today. So thank you all very much for watching. Now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $14.52, which is really low. Also on Amazon, $255.32, which is really low as well. So a total of $270 in revenue. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am not feeling too hot by the end of this month, but we still gotta have hope that we can at least hit around the 15K mark, hopefully. Because we got like 5 more days, so hopefully we can have $1,000 days, but you know, high hopes. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the birthday wishes, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.